Welcome student. In this video I will describe how to use this online course platform. Firstly, you have to go to the register. That is at the top. You just click on the register and the page will open. You have to just use your username, your email address and the password. And after pressing it, you have to click on register. And whenever you will register for the first time, then for the next all the times you have to click on the login, not the register. Register is for the first time and after that it will be the login. So whenever you are clicking the login, it's ask the username and the password. You just give your username and the password and click login. And after the login, you will move to a page where you will form that go to your course dashboard. So if you click on it, you will go to your dashboard. First I am moving to the dashboard. In this dashboard, you will find here a tab course. Whenever you will click the course, then all the enrolled course will show here. This is the enrolled course for me. And in this case, this is the quizzes. And if you click the quiz, you can find the short test you given, and this is the result of it. And if you click a individual, then you will find the result and you can review your mistake. Now here is your order. In the order there will be nothing for us because all the course for this timings is free. Now if we consider go to the setting. In the setting tab you can upload your photograph and you can give all the details of yours. In this case you can give your first name, your last name, your nickname, and in this here is the avatar. In the avatar tab you can upload your photograph also. So here you can upload your own photograph. Now for the first login or after the registration you have to go to the course. Here is the course tab for you. So whenever you will go to the course, then you will get the details of the course here. Suppose you want to enroll in a particular course, then just click on that course and a page will open. It gives the details of that particular course, and at the bottom of that page you will find enroll. Here is the page where the number of students is here, number of lesson, number of quizzes and the duration of the course. This is the overview. Next in the curriculum tab you will get the details of the course, and all the courses are logged because still I am not enrolled into that course. Whenever I will enroll into the course, all the lesson will be visible for me, and here is the details of the instructor and here is the details of the review. If you think the course is very good, then don't forget to give the review for that. Now at the last here is the enroll. So for this time beings, as it is the free, no payment will required, so just you have to click enroll, and whenever you will click enroll, it's automatically all the lesson will be visible to you, and now you can find that all the curriculums are visible for me, and you have to just click on a particular curriculum. Suppose if you click on the first topic, and whenever I am clicking on the first topic, the lesson will open, and this is the lesson, and here is the video for me. Just click on the video and it will run. And after the course completion, you have to go through the complete. So if you think it's very good, then please comment on that particular post. If any change is required, the feedback also acceptable for us, and whenever you will click on complete, you will ask that do you complete this lesson. Okay, then this lesson will be completed for you and you will move to the next topic, and here there will be a click for you. So this topic is completed by you and now you are on the next part. Next part is a particular PDF file. So you have to give the password, and the password is always DREAMZ, DREAMZ, where the D is capital, and press OK. And then you will find the details. So these are the page for you. So this is the study material. Now if we consider you have to download it. Then if it tries to download in, then click on this tab. Here is the download option. So if you click on it, the download is started here. So this is the download option for us, and the download will be in your download tab of the computer. Now in this way you have to finish the courses, and whenever you will move to your, now if we click on this back to course, it will back to the menu again. It's back to the course again. So we are backing on the, but then we are in the home page of that particular course, and whenever you have to give the exam, this is the exam, 10 question, 20 minutes is the time, it's a short test. So this is the video, these are the exam, and there are the home assignments or class assignments and the notes, etc. So you have to just click here to start, and whenever you will start, here you can set the passing grade, the time, the number of students, the number of question. So this is the question for you. You just give the option D, next. The next question will arrive to you. It's a better view will be in the desktop or computer. So this is the next question. I am given the option A, next. Suppose in the next question you cannot attend it, so give it skip. Skip means you are actually skipping this question and it will move to the next question. And this is the next question. Suppose option is A, and I am clicking complete. Yes, okay, I am completing the test, and just after the completing the test, you will get the result. So now what will happen? The result will be shown. My result is only 15% and I have failed, because out of 10 question I have given only 3 question, and in there is a tab review. So if we click on review, I will find the answer of that particular question. This was the first question. I have option D, and that's the correct option because it is in the blue line. If we consider the next, the question number 2, I have answered A, and that's also the correct answer. Next, question number 3, I have skipped the question, and the D was the correct option because this blue line is the correct option for you. Okay, but here is a cross for you. Cross means because you have failed in that particular exam. Now if you move back to the courses, and if I go to this my account and this course profile for me, in that course profile, the new enroll course will show for me. If we move to the course here, I have just enrolled for the chemistry. So this is the chemistry 1-year engineering course. So this is here, and the progress is only 15% for me because I have completed just one lesson of the particular part. And if we go to the quizzes, I have attempted a quiz now, and I think I got the 15% marks on that, and this is the quiz for me, and this is the 15% marks for me. So if I again check, or if I again review that question, so you have to check, you have to click on it, and shortly you will find that particular review or the particular grade of that. So this is the review. So you have to just go to there, and this is the review again. And don't forget to check the notification tab every day, because new material, new content, new chapter will be uploaded day by day. And this is the notification part, and there is a class 12 board, class 11 board, 2 years joint and 1 year joint. And then if you click on the class 11 board, suppose, you will find the notification tab also now. So this is the notification tab, and there will be also some hyperlink also. Just you want to click it and go to that particular notification. Here is the exam is given for the physics, chemistry, math and biology. Here is the home assignments is uploaded. So if we click check now, then it will move to the respective respective page where the home assignments is uploaded, and this is the page where the home assignments is uploaded for me. So this is the training video for using this online portal. If you face some any difficulties, please contact us. Thank you very much.